So our wrap guy has gotten almost all the bodywork done. It's here, it's ready to go. There's some final things he has to put on once the bodywork is actually on the car and situated. We've got the fuel system primed and running, got all the radiators on, water in, buttoned up, got the roof on, the windshield was in this morning, got the cowl on. So we're at a point where the car's running now, and we haven't bled brakes or bled the clutch yet, but we just want to make sure it was running, ready to go as far as all that stuff. So tomorrow morning we'll bleed the clutch and brakes and have that done so we can actually go through the gears on the gearbox, sort all that stuff out. But then we're down to just applying bodywork and zip tying electronics up and finalizing any error codes that we have going on for any sensors that might be unplugged or anything. We haven't found anything that's unplugged yet, but we do have an ECU diag. But yeah, everything's coming along. There's always these little things here and there that take up a lot of time to finish up. Putting big parts on is easy, and motor in, that's easy. Suspension on, that's easy, but it's all the little things, the wiring loom changes and zip tying this and zip tying that, and aligning the V-Box cameras and making sure that the tractive stuff is all plugged in and working, and the bodywork being finalized as far as all the graphics, make sure the graphics are as correct as we can make them. And that's about it. Ready to go?
Sure.
All right, firing.